Hello, and welcome to what I will hope to be the first of a series on Disneybound. And of course you know I'm going to start off with something Star Wars themed, so here is my Rey-inspired Disneybound that I wore to Disneyland on May 4th. So for this look, we're going to start off with the hair. Taking a small section at the front, go ahead and wrap that up in a clear elastic. Then for the first hair bobble, we are going to start at our ears and go straight up to the crown of our head. Tie this up with a clear elastic, but on the last pull through of your hair, leave it hanging in the size of the bun you want. Now if your hair is shorter than mine, you can take the remainder of that hair and wrap it around the hair bobble, but because my hair is so long, it looks weird if I wrap all of my hair around the bun. So what I do is take a little section and just wrap that and let the rest fall down on my head. Now for the next bun, you're going to start at the same point of your ears, but go more straight backwards. Collect that hair into a little bun and wrap a little section of hair around it and secure with a bobby pin. For the last bun, you're just going to take the remainder of your hair, do the same thing, and by this point you should have less hair hanging down your head. So after you've made that bun, you can take the remainder of the hair falling down and wrap it around the bun to create the last hair bobble. Make sure to add extra bobby pins so everything stays in place. And that's it. It's really not hard. You just gotta make sure you put extra bobby pins in it so nothing falls out. With that, our hair is complete and we're gonna move on to a quick makeup look. So when I started, I wanted to do 5-minute makeup looks for all of my Disneybounds just to keep them simple and good for tutorials, but this one went over. I'm telling you right now, it was more like 10 minutes. Sorry. So apply foundation or BB cream, and then because I wanted to look like Daisy and she's got such cute freckles, I added fake freckles. And this is what took so long in the tutorial. So if you skip this step, it will probably be a 5-minute makeup tutorial. But using eyebrow gel and an eyebrow wand, you're gonna go ahead and speckle that eyebrow gel all over your cheeks and your nose and blend it out to create some fake freckles. And since we have the eyebrow gel out, I went ahead and did my eyebrows. Add that galactic shimmer highlight all over your cheekbones and your nose. And then for a pretty simple eye look, I primed my eyes and then just laid over a shadow that was a shade darker than my skin tone. I quickly popped on a jumbo bronze highlighter because I'm going for more like a space princess theme, and I was going for sparkle Jedi, not necessarily natural looking Rey. You know what I mean? I go a little more all out for Disney. It's more of an interpretation of a character's makeup than actually making myself look like a character. And in that same spirit, I went ahead and did a blue on my bottom waterline. I just thought because the lightsaber she uses is blue and I thought it was appropriate and I wanted a little pop of color. And of course it's also blurry, but there is a little bit of blue eyeshadow being smudged on my bottom lash line right here. Add mascara, and for my lips I went with a nudish pinky color. And that completes this makeup look. Again, this is more Rey inspired than it is to be actually looking like Rey, except for my Daisy Ridley freckles. I really wanted those. But everything else, I wanted to add a little bit more glitter and a little bit more color. And then because it was May 4th, I wanted to be a little extra, so I did apply false lashes. These nail wraps are from Espionage Cosmetics. This set is actually discontinued. It was called For Science, and they're kind of supposed to be neon tubes, but I thought they looked like a lightsaber, so that's what I was going with. It is discontinued, but they have a lot of other really cool galaxy and nerdy themed nail wraps that will work instead of this exact wrap. And now moving on to the outfit and accessories. This Rey dress is from Hot Topic. It's by Her Universe, and I'm pretty sure it's called the Rey Speeder dress. I will link it in the description below. I love the cut and the style of this dress, and the pattern is actually an abstract art of Rey on her speeder, which I absolutely love. So because I wore this in the summertime, I went with a pair of neutral flats, but if it's colder, you can definitely dress this up with some Uggs and some leggings. The dress came with the wrap belt, but I did add a few bracelets. I just picked out ones that were neutral colors that weren't gold or silver, that were more beaded. And that completes this look for this Rey Disneybound. And the best thing about this dress is it has pockets. What? Best thing ever. Fail. Isn't that totally what happens in the movie too? Do they break the lightsaber? It's fine. I broke mine too. Haha. I can do my own sound effects. So yeah, that's it. This was my Rey Disneybound for May 4th. I attended the park with my cousin who Disneybounded as Leia, and we had so much fun with all of these Star Wars activities.
If the resistance is here, we will find them.
And we got lots of good compliments on our Disneybounds. They were quite popular. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you Disneybound Rey, I would love to see pictures, so go ahead and tag me. And if you have any other suggestions for further Disneybounds, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.